dear students, how are you all? So let's start today our GK subject. So today on page number 12 we are going to start lesson number 9, the tree color. In this lesson we are going to learn about our national flag, color of the national flag and chakra given in the national flag. What does it mean and when we used to post our flag. So some important things we are going to know about our national flag with the help of tree color. So first of all, here is a question. Fill in the blanks to complete the sentence about our national flag. So our first blank is the Prime Minister of India unfurls the national flag on dash. सो हमारा जो ध्वज है वो किस दिन लहराना होता है. तो यहाँ पे ऑप्शंस दिए हैं. इंडिपेंडेंस डे, गांधी जयंती एट द रेड फोर्ट इन दिल्ली. सो इट इज़ ऑब्वियसली नॉट गांधी जयंती बट इंडिपेंडेंस डे. सो आंसर इज इंडिपेंडेंस डे. ऑन इंडिपेंडेंस डे एट द रेड फोर्ट इन दिल्ली unfurls the national flag by the Prime Minister. Second blank, the dash in the middle of the white band is the wheel of law. It is dash. Okay, options are near that only. It is dash in color. It signifies that there is dash in movement. So here we are going to give answer again of second. The dash. What is the dash? Ashok Chakra or Sudarshan Chakra. So in the flag there is Ashok Chakra. So here we are going to write the Ashoka Chakra. In the middle of the white band is the wheel of law. It is dashed. So it is the color of navy blue or sky blue, but it is navy blue, not sky blue. So navy blue is in color. It's significant. What does it mean? Navy blue color of the Ashoka Chakra, and it is given on the portion of the white band on the flag. It signifies that there is life in movement. Okay, so it is signifies about the life. Number 3, the ratio of the width of the length of the flag is. What is the ratio of the length of the flag? So here is the option 2/3 or 3/2. So it is 2/3. Number 4, the design of our national flag was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India on dash. So when it was adopted by the Constituent Assembly about the flag on 22nd July 1947. Number 5, we must say dash when we salute our national flag. So when we salute our national flag, say Jai Hind, not Inqilab Jindabad. This is a word when we go for the fight. So this is the word that Jai Hind, that we say that our India is great. So Jai Hind, and we can also say that mostly we said that Bharat Mata Ki Jai. So in that way we can say Jai Hind. And next one is our national flag has 3 colors. Write what these colors signify in the blanks. So 3 colors are there in our national flag, you already know. So what does it mean? So first one we will go saffron color. It signifies about the courage. And white portion shows us about the peace, that we want, that we have courage also, we have peace, and we want peace also. So we show and did also that, and now there is peace also. And green color for the prosperity, यानी हमारा देश है वो हमें वापस चाहिए. इतनी हमें हिम्मत है कि हम अपनी आज़ादी ले सकते हैं. शांति वाला देश चाहिए और उस देश में बहुत सारी उन्नति भी चाहिए हमें. So it's about our national flag. And here is one thing for you. On 26 January 2002, the flag code was changed. Now what was the flag code was changed? Now the citizens of India are free to host the Indian flag over their homes, offices and factories on any day. So this also government gave permission on 26 January 2002, that is after the earthquake. The flag can we host at our home, at our office, and our factories also on any day, because it is our own flag of India. Okay students, so in this lesson we came to know that what does it signifies about the national flag and the color and the Ashoka Chakra. So you are going to finish this exercise in your textbook also, and also write in your notebook one time. Thank you students, have a nice day.